Mussels are dominant spaceholders on the rocky intertidal coasts of Northern California. Their presence allows many other species to inhabit the region that would otherwise be too harsh for them to live in. However, there was recently a big heatwave event in June that killed hundreds of thousands of mussels. So my partner and I are doing surveys of the mussel beds to determine how this death has affected the community structure and biodiversity of the whole mussel beds.
Because Middle East California and its beds are dominant space holders along our rocky intertidal region, it's really important to see how climate change and increasing extreme weather events will affect the communities within the rocky intertidal region and within the mussel beds.
To answer these questions, my partner and I will be surveying both dead and live mussel beds and comparing the biodiversity between them. To do this, we are removing all of the organisms from 15 by 15 centimeter plots, bringing them back to the lab, and identifying which species are present and how many of them are in each plot. This is the most exciting part because it's like a treasure hunt. You never know what exciting organisms you're going to find.
We anticipate that there will be greater biodiversity and more complex community structure within the live mussels because they reduce the physical stress like temperature and wave forces on the invertebrates that inhabit the mussel beds.
I think the most exciting thing about conducting research here at Bodega Marine Lab is just being able to create new information in the scientific community and for the general public. It's also really exciting to be part of such a big scientific community. Here at Bodega, there's been so many years of projects that students have done, and it's exciting to know that our project will be there with all of them and might go down in history like some of the other scientists before.
I think the most important and exciting part about research for me is that you don't know what you're going to find. So it's really exciting not knowing what's on the other side of all of your methods and hard work. And once you get your results and your findings and come to your conclusions, it's just such a huge contribution, no matter what your research is, to the scientific community as well as the general public.